So hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to make a clicker game in Scratch. So first we'll take the sprite. So I'll take this balloon. So as it's a clicker game, we need this. When the sprite clicked, block, then when we click the sprite we want a sound. So I'll choose this pop. Then now I'll add a score for the game. But before that I'll add a backdrop. So I will choose outdoors and I'll choose a backdrop. You can take any backdrop. I am choosing this blue sky. So after taking the backdrop, I am now going to add the score. So just go to the variable section and click make a variable, and here type score and click OK, and take this change variable by 1 and change my variable to score. So when you click this balloon, the score will automatically change to 1, but you don't want the balloon to be in the same position. So now I will go to the motion and take this go to random position. I will make it first. Now when you click it, it will go to random position and the game is now working. And then you don't want the score to be more than 1, so I'll go to the events and take the when flag clicked and go to the variables and I will take the set my variable to 0 and place it here and change score. So when my flag clicked, the score will be 0, and when you click it, it's mine. So the balloon is all time blue, so I want to change its color. When I click it, the balloon has 3 costumes, but the 3 are other colors, but I want to make something else. So I am going to here and taking this change color effect by 25 and place it here. So now when you click it, color will change slightly. So thanks for watching. Please share, like, comment and subscribe.